Welcome again, leaders. In this third week of the fourth quarter challenge, we're focused on career. And for today's leadership tip, I'm going to challenge something you've probably never even questioned. But before we proceed, please support us with your like, a thumbs up or a heart. And remember to subscribe or follow to this channel so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. Also, don't forget to share the link and invite others to join you in this challenge. If you haven't joined the challenge yet, we're only 3 weeks in and there's still time. The momentum is incredible and there's still room for you to join us. Here's today's question. Is there an outdated success metric you need to let go of? If you're measuring your leadership success by standards that might have worked 5 or 10 years ago, they may not be serving you now. Even worse, they're keeping you stuck. While these metrics worked for others in the past, it's a new day. Here are some examples of outdated success metrics that I see leaders clinging to. The first outdated metric, number one, is hours worked. Now, we spoke about this during the first week of the challenge. If you still measure your leadership value by how many hours you put in, think again. Learn to say no. Take a vacation. Leave your office on time without feeling guilty. You're not letting others down if you do these things. Here's the truth. Leadership effectiveness isn't measured in hours put in. The new metric is your leadership impact. Now, outdated metrics number two, being the smartest person in the room. If you measure your leadership success by whether you can answer every question, solve every problem, and demonstrate expertise in every area, you're not leading. You're jumping through hoops to prove you deserve your position. That's performance. That's performance anxiety, not leadership. Remember this. Your job isn't to be the smartest person in the room if you're a leader. It's to build a room full of smart people and create the conditions for them to do their best work. The new metric is how you build your team. The collective intelligence and capability of your growing team and their growth in expertise and confidence is the new metric. You don't have to have all the answers. Outdated metric number three, promotions and titles. Are you measuring success by upward mobility? Do you feel that you're falling behind if you're not moving up? You're not the Jeffersons. You don't have to move on up. Sometimes the next level of leadership isn't up. There are times when lateral growth is what expands your influence. There are times when saying no to a promotion because it doesn't align with your life priorities is the best move, and the new metric is alignment between your leadership role and your life purpose. Success isn't always climbing, sometimes it's choosing. Outdated metric number four, perfection. If you measure your leadership by how few mistakes you make, every error feels like failure, and every piece of critical feedback feels like evidence that you're not good enough. Understand this. Perfection isn't a true leadership metric. It's a prison. The new metric is how quickly you learn from mistakes, how well you adapt, how much you grow personally, and how much you lead your team to grow. Ultimately, these are the factors that matter. Doing work that matters for you, making the impact that you want to make, leading in a way that honors your values. Here's your challenge for this week. Several steps. First step, identify one outdated success metric you've been using to measure your leadership. Be very specific. Step two, ask yourself, where did this metric come from? Who told me this is how I should measure success? Often, these metrics come from old bosses, cultural expectations, or early career experiences. They made sense once, but they don't anymore. Step three, define a new metric that actually aligns with the leader you're becoming and the impact that you want to make. Write it down, put it somewhere visible. In fact, write it on several 3x5 cards. Take them with you. Start measuring yourself by that standard. Step four, permit yourself to stop measuring what doesn't matter anymore. Don't prove yourself by outdated standards. Choose to redefine success on your own terms. Here's what I know. The leaders who will thrive next year and in the next decade will be the ones who let go of old metrics and create new ones aligned with their values, their purpose, and the world they're building. If you're ready to redefine success and lead your own teams on your own terms in the fourth quarter, this is the challenge where we're going to do it. We're going to work together. We're in week 3, and you can still join us. And here's a big opportunity. My Put Your Dreams to the Test Mastermind starts on November 11th. You will have 5 weeks to test your dreams, redefine your metrics, and build your 2026 plan. This is where transformation will be happening. And if you're a woman navigating transition, you will also have an opportunity to join an accelerated R4 cohort. It'll be starting in November, on November 11th, and you can still take part in this journey. R4 is about resetting, rising, reimagining, and relaunching your career. Start by moving aside those outdated metrics, and let's proceed. You can connect with me on my website, www.dlmstrategiesltd.com, or you can email me at Denise M at dlmstrategiesltd.com. I look forward to working with you, to seeing you on the challenge, to learning about your comments, and I look forward to watching you transform your life so that you can step solidly into 2026 successfully. Have a great balance of the day.